Today we are going to see preparation of amines. Now total 5 preparations are there. From that, first preparation is from a nitro compound. Preparation of amine from nitro compound. Now nitro compound is NO2 and we want to make it NH2. So you can see removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen is there. So it is reduction reaction. Again, nitro groups means NO2, amine group means NH2. Now if you look at this, it is reduction reaction. So first method is reduction of nitro group. Now we can perform reduction of nitro group using two different reagent. First one, you take palladium or nickel or platinum plate, on that pass hydrogen gas. Second one is use metal in acidic medium. As metal you can take tin SN or iron Fe. So these are two different reagents for reduction of nitro group. You can see this one is nitrobenzene, NO2 group is there. As product we get NH2 means it is aniline. So these are the products. Two different reagents we have used here, H2 palladium in ethanolic medium and metal plus HCl means acidic medium. Okay, so this is the first preparation. Now second preparation, that is ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Now here, what do you mean by ammonolysis? So here we are going to perform reaction on ammonia and prepare alkyl amine. Look at this reaction first. This is ammonia and this is alkyl halide. Now ammonia has these two lone pair of electron, non-bonding electron. So what it does is these two electrons, and in alkyl halide halogen has more electron negativity, so it is partially negative, alkyl is partially positive. These electrons are attracted towards this partially positive alkyl group, so it attacks on that, making this RNH3 positive ion, because these two electrons are used here in making of this bond. Now simultaneously this electron, they shift towards halogen, so it becomes negative. This is your ammonium salt, alkyl ammonium salt. Now halogen from Rx that we have taken as starting material, alkyl halide, from that halogen is replaced with NH2, that is called ammonolysis. Again, halogen from alkyl halide, that is replaced with NH2 group, amino group, that is called ammonolysis. Now you can see how does that reaction work here. This is the product of first reaction, ammonium alkyl halide, ammonium salt. When it reacts with base NaOH, strong base, it gives us amine, then sodium salt and water. Again, when ammonium salt reacts with base, it gives amine, sodium halide and water. So this is your amine product. Now we can prepare 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree amine using the same reaction. Check out how. If I take ammonia and alkyl halide, that are our starting material, this lone pair of electron will attack on alkyl group and this electron shift towards halogen. So halogen becomes negative. These electrons are used, so ammonia becomes positive. This is the first step. When it reacts with NaOH, you can see here, it gives us 1 degree amine. Now if I want to prepare 2 degree amine, what I am going to do? I am going to react another molecule of alkyl halide here. Again, another molecule of alkyl halide will come. Here hydrogen and this halogen, they will combine to form HX, making it 2 degree ammonium salt. When it reacts with NaOH, it gives us 2 degree amine. Similarly, if I want to prepare 3 degree amine, then add another molecule of alkyl halide. It gives this positive ion, this ammonium salt. You can see 3 alkyl groups are attached. When it reacts with NaOH, similarly, it gives us 3 degree amine. Now, if I take different halogen, iodine, bromine or Cl, iodide halide means iodide compound have most reactivity towards this ammonolysis reaction. Chloride compound that has least reactivity towards ammonolysis. This is the order of reactivity towards ammonolysis reaction. Now see, this was the second method. Now the third method. You can see reduction of nitrile. Now nitrile means cyanide group, CN. When we reduce this CN group, we will get amine. As reducing agent, we can use lithium aluminum hydride or H2 in presence of nickel or palladium. By using these two reagents, we can prepare amine from nitrile. You can see on these two elements, on carbon and nitrogen, we are adding hydrogen here. So it is reduction reaction. Reduction of nitrile group. Now next preparation is from amide. What is amide? Amide is COONH2. Now from that we are going to prepare CH2NH2. You can see removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. It is again reduction reaction. Now here as reducing agent we can use lithium aluminum hydride. So you can see the reaction RCONH2, it is amide. When it reacts with lithium aluminum hydride and H2O, it gives us 1 degree amine. Now next reaction is important, fifth one, Hofmann bromide degradation. Now in that you have to take amide as the previous one. Amide when reacts with bromine in presence of strong base NaOH. Again, amide reacts with bromine in presence of base. It gives amine, sodium carbonate, sodium bromide and water. Again, amide reacts with bromine in presence of strong basic medium to give amine, sodium carbonate and sodium bromide with water. Now this reaction was performed by this scientist Hofmann. So it is called Hofmann degradation reaction. Now what is degradation here? You can see this carbonyl carbon, it is degraded here. You can see it is no more there in product. C double bond O group is not there. Directly R then NH2 is there. So this C double bond O is lost. So it is called degradation reaction. Now sixth number, that is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. This one is also named reaction. This scientist Gabriel performed the reaction. That's why it is called Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. Here thalamide is our starting material. Now what is thalamide? So you can see this one benzene, then C double bond O, NH, then C double bond O. This one is called thalamide. when it reacts with KOH in presence, KOH strong base, what it does here, OH and hydrogen, they both will combine to form water. Instead of this H, K comes, so you can see N minus K plus. This salt we get as product of first step. Now in next step, what happens, we are going to react here alkyl halide. So instead of this K, just attach R, removing KX, this X and K, they both will combine to form KX. So here we get NR as product. Now when we react that in with strong base, again it gives us amine and dicarboxylic salt, carboxylate salt. You can see 2 times COO group is there, so it is dicarboxylate salt. So this one is our byproduct, this one is our amine. Now this reaction is called Gabriel-Thalamide reaction.